Every good deal starts with a leap of faith, and this one was no different. Many of you have asked about the process of our flip, so let's dig into the story. On March 26th, we got a call from a wholesale company about a new real estate deal that they had coming up. And the very next day, March 27th, we went out to take a look, and let's just say it was rough. The house was so disgusting, we didn't want to touch anything inside. But underneath all the grime, we saw potential, and so we went and signed the contract that same day. We officially closed on the property on April 10th for $168,000. It's a small 2-bedroom, 1-bath home with a carport, and it needed a whole lot of work ahead. Grant and I teamed up with Chris and Ashley for this project. Harbor Properties Group was created, and from day one we had a clear plan. Clean it out, fix what mattered most, and completely reimagine this space. First up was the roof. It was in bad shape, so we replaced it right away. That cost us $8,400, but worth every single penny. Next, we tackled the HVAC, another big ticket item. It was $7,100. We wanted to make sure the new buyers had peace of mind and comfort. Before we could start the inside construction, we had to clear the place out. Our contractor came in, removed almost all the drywall, the entire kitchen, and the bathroom. Once the demo was complete, it was time to put it all back together and bring our vision to life. We decided to turn the back living room into another bedroom, transforming the home from a 2-bedroom into a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. And that one change we did added a ton of value. We installed a brand new kitchen with crisp white cabinets, butcher block counters, and a stainless steel appliances, new laminate floors throughout, and a refreshed bathroom, and of course, fresh paint to make it all shine. By the end of it all, we spent $52,000 on renovation, and every dollar was well spent. Once everything was complete, we did some light staging and brought in a professional photographer to make sure that the photos really showcased the transformation. We listed the house on September 16th for $265,000, and within just 3 days on the market, we received multiple offers and accepted one for $263,700. This flip was a great reminder that sometimes the best opportunities don't look pretty at first glance. But with a solid plan and a great team, smart budgeting, you can turn even the dirtiest, ugly house into your dream home. If you enjoyed seeing the process behind the scenes, make sure to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. We just closed on our next flip that we will be visiting tomorrow, so I am so excited to share that journey with you as well. Happy to answer any questions, and as always, Ashley Gaitis with the Gaitis Home Team, we are here to help.